Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly henne kasngi ka arpoi terik ukala lengkot arhajar arpuar kala rakhe ya kejing dap san posnem jong kejing yo jela Bapura jong ke jela Meghalaya. Ha kaba ulampang ke yang darbar tauan uba Metbah lengdo ula Pynkup Burom ya ki MLA ki Barim. Ya kani kejing rakhe la penlong ha assembly ka badon ha kendailat ha kaba ki MLA ki menteri sorkar ki officer bat ki wei ki lawan banesim bentalang la pensyong siat ya kani kesengi da ki sur jingrai ba per na ki kenhun ki badai na kejelah.
Shirta Bun Git Hong Git Ma Banjom Klang Jing Yarab Jong Ming In Ngo Klang Jing Yarab Jong Ming In Ngo.
Let's give a big round of applause for Ba Yang Jo.
Now we'll felicitate Ba Esloniak Marbanian. Yeah. Okay, now we'll felicitate Ba K.K. Dekhar, ex-MLA. Yeah. Mandat. Call Kong Bina Raji, Additional Secretary, former Additional Secretary. By MS Kaji, former Assistant Engineer.
Of all our leaders and successive governments, we have been able to overcome many obstacles where we have discussed the different issues in the House and moved forwards towards the path of progress and prosperity of the state. While celebrating this great and auspicious occasion on this day, we remember all the great leaders of the state who fought for the attainment of statehood, and also the former members who have contributed their share towards the struggle and legislation of laws which not only ensure development and progress, but also in the protection and preservation of the unique culture and identity of the people of our state. We particularly remember the role played by the leaders of the All-Party Hill Leader Conference for attainment of the statehood and their sacrifices. It has been rightly said that the soul of parliamentary democracy lies in its debate and in the discussions. The legislation have an important role in enhancing the standing of the law-making bodies among the people by their performance and conduct, which would inspire the confidence and trust among the people in our parliamentary institutions. The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly has always conducted its business in a very dignified manner. Decency and decorum has always been maintained in the House throughout all these years. The standard of debates in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly has always been high and praised by everyone. The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly has hosted the All India Presiding Officers Conference in November 1974. In 1986, the South Asian Association of Regional Corporation Conference on Women was also held in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. The conference was inaugurated by late Prime Minister Sri Rajiv Gandhi. The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly also had the privilege of being addressed by late President APJ Abdul Kalam in March 16 of 2007. And late President Pranab Mukherjee also has addressed the House in October 21st of the year 2013. The 12th Northeastern Region Commonwealth Conference was also held in Shillong in January 2010. Srimati Meera Kumar, the then Lok Sabha Speaker, gave the inaugural address in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on 29 January 2010. I am also glad to inform you that last year, the Honorable Lok Sabha Speaker, Sri Om Birla Ji, has addressed the Honorable Members in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on 25th of February 2021. During this years, the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Secretariat has also been able to bring out some new innovations in its administration and functioning of the House. It has been able to computerize all the branches of the Assembly Secretariat through its IT cell. The website of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly was also launched on 18 of March last year of 2021. The Assembly Secretariat is also in the process of implementing the NEVA application through the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs from New Delhi.